Imagine having a powerhouse team, a creative director, tech expert, senior business advisor, you name it, working for you 24/7. They never have to take a break, never miss a deadline, and cost you $0. Sounds too good to be true? Well, today I'm going to show you how to build this dream team using custom GPTs inside ChatGPT. First, log into ChatGPT and head over to Explore GPTs. Click on Create New. This is where the magic happens. Now for today's demo, let's say we want to set up a senior business advisor, someone who can help with strategy, market research, and competitor insights. First step is to name your GPT. Give it a clear role title like Business Strategy Advisor. Next, define the personality and tone of voice. For a business advisor, you might want someone who's analytical, concise, and data-driven. If you want a social media manager, go for creative and upbeat. Now comes the most critical part. What tasks do you want it to perform? For the business advisor, I'm adding instructions like offer data-backed suggestions for scaling up my business. Analyze competitors based on XYZ criteria. And provide actionable growth strategies in simple language. These prompts will shape the AI's response to be as close to a real human advisor as possible. Once you have this framework set up, creating other roles becomes super easy. Just adjust the personality and instructions based on what you need. For example, for a creative director, use a more visionary tone. Ask it to suggest brand visuals, campaign themes, or creative marketing angles. For a tech expert, make the personality detail-oriented. Instruct it to provide troubleshooting advice, research the latest tech trends, or recommend the best tools for automation. For a social media manager, set up a friendly, engaging tone. Instruct it to plan content calendars, analyze social metrics, and brainstorm viral post ideas. The process is the same. You're just tweaking the instructions and the job title. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who could use a productivity boost. Comment below which role you're going to create first. And if you want even more AI hacks, don't forget to subscribe and check out the video over to my side. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.